folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am going to bake a Thanksgiving turkey for you guys on the Guliver Wood Cookstove. This is actually featured in the soapstone, which is one of my favorite finishes. And featured here, if you can see him in the shop, we do have Mr. Kitty joining us today. So I am going to bake a turkey for you guys today, and I'm really excited for that because I haven't actually ever baked a Thanksgiving turkey for you guys on film, and it's that time of the year, and we happen to be celebrating just a little bit early, so I'm going to go ahead and bake up the turkey for you guys today. My turkey is going to bake at about 325. So I'll give you guys some temperature readings before I load the turkey. I have just kind of had a small kindling fire going. I am also going to burn some coal in the Guliver stove today. So check out the other videos on using coal in this stove. I'll just go ahead and drop it out here. This stove is capable of burning coal, but it is not warranted to burn coal, okay? More details on that in the coal burning video, so check that out. Alright, so for today's purposes, we're going to bake up this Thanksgiving turkey inside the Guliver. This is a really cute little stove, and even for its small size, it can easily hold a whole Thanksgiving turkey. So before I load the turkey, I'm going to give you guys some oven readings right now. Sitting at 326 on the right hand side, 303 on the firebox side. So the firebox side is actually a little bit cooler. I'm sitting at about 250 on the rear, 290 on the bottom, 292 on the top of the oven. So I wanted to bake between 300 and 325. So I'm going to go ahead and put my turkey in. So as you can see, my turkey is featured on the top. This is a big turkey pan. It's 16 pounds. I actually have my grate on the absolute lowest setting. So not like sitting on the bottom, but on the lowest rack here. And this pan is going to just fit in here, no problem. So I'm going to go ahead and get this loaded up. Door closes, no problem. So I don't have a super big fire. Honestly, these are just some small coals located here in the bottom that are burning nicely. Once these burn down into a bed of coals, I'm actually going to load the stove up and burn coal for you guys so you can see what that looks like. Also, I noticed when using coal in the other similar stoves that it's kind of easier to maintain that consistent like 300 to 350 kind of range, which is right where I want to be for this turkey. And coal also burns like that consistent level for a couple of hours. So I'm going to show you guys what it's like to burn coal in this stove as I'm cooking as well. So we're doing a little turkey break, and we're going to baste this turkey. I put butter under the skin, so it is going to be very moist. Yum. Buttery and delicious. I did go ahead and add a little more coal to my firebox to keep up the temperature. Now it's boiling nice and hot. Just after loading it, I'm now at 379 degrees. So when I started, I was like 298 or something. I think like just under 300. So I literally closed the door. I pop open the ash door for like probably about a minute just during that initial takeoff, and I wish I would have done that sooner, because if you get more combustion air and you allow that coal to ignite faster, then your glass isn't going to be as dirty when burning coal. So that's kind of a tip I realized, I guess. So it's pretty quick. I mean, within like 5 minutes, we're getting like almost 100-degree temperature rise, like 90 some degrees. So that's pretty good when burning coal. And yeah, my turkey is still cooking and still probably got a couple more hours to go. So we'll keep you posted.
All right, we're gonna do a little update check here on our turkey. And it smells good, but it's still pretty raw. So, yeah, I am gonna add a little bit of wood rather than more coal, only because I'm basically out of coal. So, now we're gonna test it out with a little bit of a combination of some coals in the bottom and some wood.
All right, my turkey is done, so I am going to go ahead and pull it out of the oven. This is a big bird coming in at 16 pounds. And it looks perfect. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this Thanksgiving edition of baking in the Guliver Cookstove. If you guys like my videos, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. Don't forget to click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.